Come along on this high-stakes ride into the cryptic labyrinth of the digital underground. Fasten your seatbelts as we explore the interconnected world of the best hackers on the planet. Discover who these masters of the electronic universe are, individuals who manipulate and maneuver through coded barriers with an uncanny understanding of systems and networks. Not all hackers are cybercriminals. Interesting, isn't it? Peel back the layers and we find some use their skills ethically, in what's known as white hat hacking, working to improve safety and security. Then, on the flip side, we see the feared black hat hackers. These are the ones you generally hear about, infiltrating systems for personal gain or to cause havoc. Incredibly, there's a third group, the grey hat hackers. They dance delicately between right and wrong, identifying vulnerabilities and then selling the information back to the highest bidder. This world isn't confined to anonymous individuals behind computer screens. Countries also play, employing specialized hackers to protect national interests and sometimes disrupt those of others. From conducting corporate espionage to uncovering state secrets, hacking has evolved from juvenile pranks to a serious global concern. Unsettling, but very much our reality. So next time you click, type or tap, remember you're navigating through a world heavily influenced by these unseen digital puppet masters. The best hackers in the world, operating in the shadows of our tech-intensive universe.